kublai sibut season 4 epi baro. Kidon ki post ki balaj po jong National Institute of Technology Meghalaya. Tena kamenta kita bi ke bakwa ban apply kane kidon ki post hangne bat kom juru qualification jong kini ka NIT Meghalaya kade po Chirapunji Sora Meghalaya nyok ndai lai way not pra. Kani ka institute ka khot application nam tai tu gi badai na po National Processing and Requisite Qualification and Experience as per the extant recruitment rule duly approved by the Ministry of Human Resources Development, Ministry of Education, Government of India for appointment to the under-mentioned non-teaching posts on direct recruitment basis. Titu ki bakwa ban apply kane kemud ngan pen EAP yaki junan kambaro peje ka video ka jonga do ka bakut ban EAP subha ban kan mauru ban like ban share ban subscribe do ka channel ka jonga nak post khapor ba pnyo sibun ki jumun tem ha ka bayade bat ki kam ki jam ki balaj man ka sngi bat ka post ka ban kong ka dei SAS assistant ka pay level jong kani ka dei pay level 6 bat ka dei du lai pesan hajar saus pa chibnai ka salary kapus klaim tak UR ka way bat nam ta jongka technician depth of civil engineering kamud ba ka pay level kadai pay level 3 berkatulop kadai arphuai hajar nyospa akpo jongka sebenai kapus klaim ta jongki SC ST tang nam ta jongki SC bat gitu ki bakwa ban apply kini kan mau ba pilaru ban yo eknika website www.nitmac.in kemudian kan dengan sabu ikne po ka description box jonga bapinyo ban sub ban apply sampai baru po jong ka description box kan sabu ipin taki advertisement detail ro kumju kan buru ya ka ikan di website berkumju sejonja ka WhatsApp channel ka jonga bapinyo sibun ki jumentoy bat ka last date bapin apply kan ni kadai hadin jong ka saupsan sngi hadin bala pelaj ya kan ka advertisement nam ta jong kan ka post kemudian ada umtap la long ban apply kan ka post itu ki bala dep ban police phang jong kani hakabede bat kum coba kilapan apa jong kani ka post hakabede bat kani ka post kemud ba kan long arts part dingka ka fees nam ta jong kani ka application batam ta jong ki SC ST kitu ki breu ki badon jong lunah pada jong ka document ka jong ki kan mau ba phiaban ra ru ya ka certificate ani ki pan ru ya ka proof certificate bapila yo ban issue na po jong ka authority hakabede ba pinsiu bisa hadin bapila de batsiu ya kan ka pisai ne ka fees nam ta jong kini post kemud phimla issue man yo refund biang sin bapila siu kemud pila haban siu bank bari tu ki candidate ki ba apply kan ne sin bapila siu ya ka application fee ka jong phi philaru ban siu po jong ka SBI lane phihabru ban puli bah po jong ka payment haswa ba phin siu bar hadin bapila de ban siu ya kan ka payment philaru ban copy lane philaru ban bu bah ya ka transaction receipt ka jong phi bat ka age limit lane upar age limit nam ta jong kini ki post kemud nam ta jong ka SCS assistant kemud kan debi live post name bat nam ta jong ka technician in depth of civil engineering kemud kan debi arpunyos nem karta bat ka relaxation kan long bet kum jong ka gol nom bat nam ta jong ki TADA kimcha ban attend sapo jong kanika written test anika skill test berkum juru syaka interview ban apo jong ka institute kalaru ban cancel kan ka advertisement ha wede kinu ki jung kam ane kinu ki daw ki jung kam ha wede ban kini ki post kemu ka certificate ani ki mark sheet jong ka degree ki grade card baro ki certificate jong ka degree kum juru ki 12 10 certificate kemu kini kindon kam bat kum juru ki experience certificate ru bat kum ju baro ki badai bat ki additional qualification kindon kam bat ka proof nam ta jong ka age kemud kin page bet nyapo jong ki certificate HSLC bat kum juru HSC dan equivalent certificate issue na po jong ka authority kini pat kadeka education qualification bat ki experience requirement nam ta jong kini ki post ki baper arteli nam ta jong kebaningkong kade student activity sport SAS assistant kebaningkong kade first class bachelor degree in physical education from recognized university or institution kebaar kade strong record of participation in sport and drama music film painting photography journalism event management or other student event management activities during college university studies kumbang laong mene kumjuru ya ka pay level ka de pay level sik lai pesan hajari si benai pinio ika salary basakan mau ba dam tajung kan ika post SAS assistant kemud kiran kami kan ika qualification berki experience rukumju but nam tajung ka post ka arkadai technician in depth of civil engineering kemud ki qualification kiran kam nam tajung ka senior secondary 10+2 in with science from a government recognized board with at least 60% marks. Berkumjuru ke senior secondary 10+2 nakan government recognized board berkumjuru at least pinihaban yo 100% kimbak napo ITI course sane system napo jongka higher education in civil engineering. Kebalai kumjuru ke secondary 10 with at least 60% mark and ITI certificate of 2-year duration in civil engineering. Kabasauru income diploma in civil engineering of any 3 years duration in relevant field from a government recognized polytechnic institute. Kemud kitu kibaladon ya kani certificate hakabayde berkini kemud pila aban apply. Kemud kitu badon kawai ki certificate apa yang jongkini ki sautali kemud pila aban apply. Terus akan mau itu kibaku aban apply ka link ngalabu opo description opin apply kane berkumjuru ika advertisement detail bapinyo ban kamtip kamahasushuru pilaru ban klik hantai ka link pinyo ru ikan ika advertisement detail sapuli kambaharu ladi lada piku aban yo shibun ki jumuntoy cetang kini bentip kan ora pi menta kuble shibun